Before buying a drip coffee maker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Black & Decker 12-Cup Coffee Maker. Let's kick things off with the Black & Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. This coffee maker caught my eye with its sleek block design and affordable price. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use machine that delivers a solid cup of coffee every time, this is worth a serious look. So, why should this coffee maker be on your radar? First off, it has a 12-cup capacity, which means you can brew enough for friends or just for yourself to enjoy throughout the day. The Sneak a Cup feature is a lifesaver if you're in a rush. It temporarily stops the brewing so you can grab a cup without making a mess. Plus, the Easy View water window lets you see exactly how much water you're working with. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes your morning routine smoother and saves you from the frustration of spills. Now, some people complained about the digital controls being a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it really isn't that difficult. It might take a day or two to figure out, but it's not a deal breaker if you're looking for functionality at a great price. This is perfect for you if you frequently entertain or just need a reliable coffee maker for daily use. Skip this one if you prefer single-serve options or advanced features that more expensive models offer. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Black & Decker's digital controls bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. This one really stands out with its stainless steel finish and customizable brewing options. If you want a coffee machine that adapts to your specific taste, this is worth considering. What's great about this Ninja model is its 2 brew styles, classic or rich. This means you can adjust the flavor to your liking without compromising on quality. With hotter brewing technology, it ensures your coffee is evenly saturated and brewed to perfection. Plus, the 60-ounce removable water reservoir makes filling it up a breeze. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're brewing for yourself or hosting guests, you can ensure everyone gets a cup that perfectly matches their taste. Now, some users have pointed out that the warming plate doesn't keep coffee hot for long enough. Here's the thing. If you're like me and drink your coffee right after it's made, this won't be an issue at all. But if you like to sip slowly, it may require a quick microwave reheat. This is perfect for you if you enjoy customizing your coffee experience. Skip this one if you always brew for just 1 or 2 cups at a time, as it's best suited for larger batches. It's a bit pricier, but the value you get is definitely worth it. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list. Product number 3, Keurig K-Express Single Serve Coffee Maker. Let's talk about the Keurig K-Express Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. I was really drawn to its compact design and the promise of quick brewing. If you want a hassle-free way to get your coffee fix in minutes, this is a must-see. The K-Express lets you brew 3 different cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, at the push of a button. So whether you're in a rush or want a bigger cup to kickstart your day, it has you covered. The 42-ounce removable reservoir means you can brew up to 4 cups before needing a refill, which is super convenient. Here's why this matters for you. It saves time and eliminates the need for multiple brewing cycles, especially useful during those busy mornings. However, some users mention that it can sometimes brew weak coffee. Here's the thing. Using the strong brew button significantly enhances the flavor if you prefer a bolder cup. So it's not really a deal breaker, just a matter of adjusting your brewing style. This is perfect for you if you're a busy professional or student who needs a quick cup. Skip this one if you're someone who enjoys the brewing ritual and the flavor of ground coffee. For its price, it's a fantastic investment in convenience. Now, if the single-serve aspect isn't quite what you're looking for, the next product offers a different brewing method. Product number 4, Amazon Basics 5-Cup Drip Coffee Maker. The Amazon Basics 5-Cup Drip Coffee Maker. Honestly, I was surprised by how sleek and compact it is for such an affordable price. If you want a no-frills coffee maker that gets the job done without breaking the bank, definitely keep watching. This coffee maker has a 5-cup capacity, which is perfect for smaller households or just for making a quick batch. The auto shut-off feature ensures safety, so you don't have to worry if you forget to turn it off in the morning rush. Plus, the pause and pour function lets you grab a cup mid-brew, which is a lifesaver. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your everyday routine without extra hassle. Now, some reviews mention that it can take a bit longer to brew compared to pricier models. Here's the thing. If you're not in a rush and looking for something straightforward, it's not that big of an issue. It's just a slower pace for a simple coffee maker. This is perfect for you if you live alone or want something compact for a small kitchen. Skip this one if you need larger batches or advanced features. For under $20, it's a steal for casual coffee drinkers. All right, that was a great budget-friendly option. But if you want something a bit more elegant for your kitchen, the next one could be right up your alley.
Product number 5, Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker. We have the Bodum 3.4-ounce pour-over coffee maker. This one caught my eye with its elegant design and manual brewing method. If you want to take your coffee experience to the next level and enjoy rich flavors, this is definitely worth a look. The Bodum features a stainless steel permanent filter that extracts the aromatic oils from your coffee grounds, enhancing the flavor without needing paper filters. It's designed for those who appreciate the craft of brewing, making it great for coffee enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you. You'll get a much richer and more flavorful cup compared to traditional drip coffee makers. However, some might find the manual process a bit tedious compared to automatic machines. Here's the thing. If you enjoy being hands-on with your coffee and appreciate the brewing ritual, this won't bother you at all. It's all about personal preference. This is perfect for you if you love the taste of freshly brewed, high-quality coffee and don't mind putting in a little extra effort. Skip this one if you prefer the convenience of automatic machines. For its price point, it offers great value if you value quality over speed.